What is going on today, guys? Today is Misha's birthday, and we're going to take her on a little bike packing tour, or should I say a cat packing tour. So we are here at Guelph Lake, and we're going to ride some easy trails and see how these cats enjoy it. So check it out.
This is Kasha. She is almost 2 years old. She's gonna ride in my pack. Just gonna clip her in. There's a window here, so just make sure she's secure. They can ride with the top open or closed, so I'm gonna be closing it just so they feel more secure on the first time. First trip in the bags. They're really nice. Okay, get ready for a fun time, kitty.
We're here at the Lakeview campsites, so we're going to check these out and see what kind of campsite we can swing together, maybe for the summer sometime. Might even test it out with the cats and see how they like it. Gorgeous day here today at Guelph Lake, and we're going to take a little break with a little nut butter bar from Cliff, and we'll see how these guys taste. So it's quite a nice pavilion area back here, as you can see. Not too sure why we have a picnic table on the water here, but I'm sure there's a reason for it. So it looks like this is the trail by all the cool campsites that are in front of the lake. Nice trail. So all in all, I'd say these Timbuktu bags are quite a success. No issues with the cats, they seem to enjoy it. Our cats are quite temperamental though, so it's all up to the cat. But I would suggest a little trial run to see how they like it first. And then you're probably good to go. Right, Misha? Great. Anyway, this is Misha, myself checking out. Happy birthday, Misha. It's been a great 10 years. We'll see you next time.